Hello everyone, welcome here. Today you are going to learn how to learn Linux. Yes, this is a great question many wants to know. As a beginner, when you are starting your career, how it is possible to learn? Using ChatGPT, we will ask a question. Let's try. How to learn Linux. See, just I am asking ChatGPT, what the information it will suggest us. Yes, Linux is a powerful, versatile operating system. Really, and it's more secure. If you are watching first time this lecture, please do subscribe for such a great lectures and explanations what real industry need the things. Let's start. So, ChatGPT is a suggesting great supportive information for this. What it is? See, Linux you can follow to learn the information to make you as an expert in Linux. Let's see. Familiarize yourself with the basics. Start learning about the history and design philosophy, how it is started. These things you have to understand it first, the operating such as Windows operating system and Mac operating system, similarly the Linux. And choose a distribution. There are many types of different types of Linux operating systems are there. Their own unique features, and which area you want to focus and where you want to be more opportunities, that you need to choose it. Yes, as a beginner, it's a very essential need to begin with. And installing Linux. Yes, once you have chosen a distribution which is you are going to, then you need to start a computer system or virtual machine to choose installing Linux base steps, creating a bootable disk and starting installation of either USB device or any of source which is really possibly available with you. And use the command line, one of the most important in Linux based operating systems, where you have to be more comfortable in using Linux type operating systems. So the command you have to follow, and where you have to habituate to start working with the command prompt. Explore the desktop environment. Most Linux distributions are come up with the desktop environment where you can have nowadays like a GUI, graphical user interface, to explore the tools. Learn about package management. Yes, how to install independent apps like applications or packages, it will be says in Linux operating system, to manage, to install, uninstall, controlling user access, permissions. These things you have to comfortable. Linux community, where it will gives you a large support and kick ass you to give more strength to solving your problems, and way how simply you can approach more like an expert, how you can achieve in less time. To joining a community, it will help you by reading the blogs and participating in their own projects and day-to-day activities and making stay up to date. Practice. So the best way to learn Linux is to practice these commands regularly. Many tasks as possible, and experiment different tools or configurations, and making for example any web server, if you want to Apache, how to install, configure, and making the status, controlling the PID IDs. Yes, these are very important. So these are the very basic things where you need to start Linux operating system, and you want to be crack interviews very super easily. If you feel this video lecture is useful to you, please do subscribe now. Thank you.